swirl.
Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to the vlog. Hope you're having a great day. If you're having a great day, go comment down below, say hashtag it's great. I'm having a great day. Today we are leaving Atlanta. We're going to Florida. We're going to Amelia Islands / like Fernandina Beach, Florida. We're leaving right now. Everyone's like, they're leaving me. Like, everyone's leaving me now. I'm like still in the room doing the intro for you guys. But so yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the room and then I'm gonna go because we gotta go like right now. So everyone's like in the car, so I gotta go like right now. Go, 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 go. So here's the room, the coffee maker and all that, and then like here's the room, the TV, the beds. Look at my bed. That's up there. That's nice because it was comfortable. But look at our view. What? Just a tree. I don't know what that was, but it scared the hell out of me right there. Thought it was a ghost or a lady or someone under that blanket or tower, the hell that is. Our car, and it's just raining out here. And it's like 7 o'clock in the morning in Georgia, and it's just raining. Go, 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 go.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so
Stuck in the toilet bathroom.
searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a strive. Savanna.
Want to explore an abandoned car?
Savanna. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung, kids across the land. Savanna, I'm coming home. Savanna, we'll never be alone. Savanna, the beauty of the world. Savanna, let's all take a walk. Savanna, I'm coming home. Savanna. is gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
We made it, guys. We finally made it to the beach. Guys, this is awesome. I ain't been to the beach in a few years. It's been like a year. I mean, like 2 years since I've been to the beach. And I'm like, you guys have no idea how happy I am right now. It's been such a long time though, but man. I'm gonna try and figure out my camera situation, but like so I can use my Canon for you guys, so I can get some better shots and all that stuff. But the iPhone 7's quality and audio is actually pretty better than I expected. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in a few. All right, guys. This is like the upstairs part of the house. And I've never ever been on this before in my life. And I just got on it like 5 minutes ago for the first time ever, right? And as soon as I sat in it, like the whole thing like flipped up like in the air. And I landed like right on my back, like on my back and like my ass. And that hurt like really bad. Like it's like bruised up or something like that. Now that hurts. I don't know. I'm all fine now, but it hurt.
Let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah.
Alright, ate lunch, and for those of you who live in Tulsa, my people that live in Tulsa that go to Union, you guys will know what that sign meant that I just showed you. We're back, and I think it's about to rain. We were about to go to the beach, but it might have rained. So. Alright, get my swimsuit on. Let's go to the beach. Let's have some fun. Alright, guys. So we just got out here, and look.
Be careful, okay? Look at that wall of rain. You're so right.
This happened at Orange Beach last time we came in. It was like this when I was there. Alright, guys. So we just got out here. It's already getting cloudy. Man. It's about to rain real hard. But it's rained the whole time we were on our way here, and it's about to rain here in Florida at the beach. What? Guys, it's coming. It's coming. How you doing, Teresa?
Are you having fun? Yes!
This is so fun. I haven't been to the beach in a while, and this is fun. I'm loving it. Gotta be careful with this iPhone, you know it's waterproof. I ain't trying to test it out, you know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to test this phone out. You like the beach?
Yeah.
What do you like about the beach?
Blah, blah, blah.
Okay, I'm gonna get some time. What did I tell you all? I told you all it was gonna rain. It's already raining, boys. Look at this dummy. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Guys, look at this. It is pouring hard. It started hailing too. There's nobody on this beach. There's nobody on here now. And those, man, it ran. Oh my god. Alright guys, it's pouring. Again, it's getting a lot, it was raining a lot harder now. It was raining a lot harder. Whoa. It's hailing and raining. Oh my god, this hurt. Oh, whoa. This hurts. This hail hurts. Oh, it's starting to fog. The ocean's starting to fog up right there, guys. It's starting to fog up over there. Dang. I feel like a tsunami's about to come, huh? Yeah, look at that. Oh, look at him running for her.
What?
He's running.
Yeah.
Thought it was letting up, Tucker.
It's gonna be just like yesterday.
Alright guys, the storm I think is over. But it's getting a little bit bright out here. But it's like fogging up back there too. Alright guys, so it stopped raining, so we're gonna go back down. But we're not gonna swim because they ain't letting us swim. There's like a truck like driving by, and like he's like telling people like they're in the ocean, like get out, and we ain't trying to get struck. And it's like lightning too, so like you can't be in the water. Like if you're in the ocean, it's like lightning. Obviously you're gonna get like struck probably. And they're like people drive around saying like you can't be in the ocean if it's like. So so we're going out back. We're just gonna like go in the sand. We're not going to the ocean, but we're gonna like go in the sand, like walk around. Got a popsicle. But I'm gonna put you guys over here at this window and get some time lapse for you guys. So yeah. There goes some waves. It's already raining again. That's 4 to 4.
What's up, guys? I'm back.
No. Alright, so you like the beach?
Yes.
What do you like about the beach?
The waves going to my feet and swimming.
Yeah?
But I never swam before, and Dad didn't let me swim. But I like it when you were in the water, and when you got so crazy in the water.
Yeah. You like the beach?
Yeah. I want to swim myself, but not too far out of the beach.
Yeah. Guys, look at this. Our new car's getting ruined in this damn rain. Look at this. Their car's getting ruined. Our car's getting ruined. The palm trees are getting ruined. That's, again, you know, Florida for you. I should have known this was going to happen anyway. Alright guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you guys did, smash that big fat blue thumbs up. And we finally made it. To China. We finally made it to Florida. It took like, in total it was like 16, 17 hours. But it took us 12 hours to drive from Tulsa to Atlanta. But we finally made it. We got here early at noon. And hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. And remember guys, I'm gonna vlog again tomorrow. It's daily vlogs for 8 days straight. So stay tuned for that. It's dark out here, and it rains so much. Like it rained on the way there, it rained today on the way here, or on the way here, and then it rained yesterday, and it rained while I was at the beach. So yeah, hope I can get this tan going, but I don't know if it's still raining. No. But anyway guys, I will see you guys tomorrow with another video. Peace.
Swirl.